Hey guys, so now I'm gonna get ready for the event type thing that I'm going to. My friend Rosa got me a couple stuff and I want to try them out. So the first thing is this face mask from Pink. It's called Love When You Call Me Big Papaya. It's so funny. I'm gonna be using that for my face. And then Rosa also got me this awesome hair mask with argan oil to repair hair, so I'm definitely gonna use that. I'm excited to try. And then I'm just gonna do a whitening strip so I have white teeth. Okay guys, so I'm out of the shower now. I have my little teeth thing on. I think I need to have it on for like about 10 more minutes. Now I'm going to do the mask. I'm going to put my lotion and coconut oil on. And I'm going to moisturize and put my deodorant on. Whenever you whiten your teeth, you have to brush your teeth after. I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to comb out my hair. And then I will show you guys what I'm doing next. This off now. Been a little over. So this is my outfit that I'll be wearing tonight. My shirt is this like roughly fringed tube top in the color white. It's from the Q. And then I have these shorts from Kohl's. I don't really remember how much they were, but they're just high-waisted, light wash. They have some distressing in the butt. I really like those, and they're kind of like a stretchy material too. And then I'm also just wearing my white Vans that are kind of dirty, but whatever. And then just some purple no-show socks. Can you say hi to the vlog, Kimmy?
I can't see who it is.
No, it's just people watching. Can you say hi?
No.
Say hi.
I don't want it.
Oh, okay. I might not take...
You look funny right there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, on that credit card.
Huh?
Did mommy say you can use this?
Yeah, she said I could.
Damn. Nice of her.
I know. So, oh no, it's like making me... Oh, man. No, I don't think I like that. That was funny.
I'll watch your story and see if there's anything good happening.
Okay, bye, Mommy. Love you. No, I'm gonna go take that off. I don't want to wear foundation. So I've decided, I just took off my face makeup. I'm like, no, it looked so bad because it's so white on me now and it just looked cakey, gross, and then I'm also gonna put on this NYX Pump It Up Lip Pumper Lip Gloss. There's that. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you my outfit on. Like I said, I was wearing the white shirt and the light wash jeans. This is the necklace I'm wearing. It's just a layer necklace with a little pearl and then a diamond. And then I'm also wearing this scrunchie just in case I want to put my hair up. They're just diamond earrings. And then, of course, I have my belly button piercing in. Okay, so I'm done with my hair. My hair is kind of damp, so I had to go kind of fast with it. So it doesn't look super amazing, but I'm good with it. And these are the two perfumes I'm going to be spraying on me. I usually just mix all my perfumes. This one is George Peach by Bed Bath & Beyond, and this one is Coconut Sea by Victoria's Secret. They don't sell it anymore, but yeah. I'll just squirt some of the sun. I bet Bath & Beyond. Alright, so I'm gonna go try and ask my little brother to take pictures of me. He might say yes, he might say no, and then I'm just gonna leave and go get my boyfriend. This is my boyfriend. He's apparently a little camera shy. We are going into the event. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. There's like food trucks, slip and slides, ice cream, porta potties, a band, and there's like these BMX guys. Just got a water bottle and a fan. I think we're gonna walk around for a little bit and then get some food. It's really hot out here, guys. Hey guys, this is what I got. What else we got? Nighttime now. These damn hills. I literally feel like I'm hiking a mountain.
You don't mind if I do a few covers? Is that cool with you? Yeah? Here we go. Here we go. Just like that.
Hey guys, so this is the end of my 4th of July vlog slash get ready with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!